At this major intersection, M stops too soon and fails to take control of the intersection on the green light. Had she positioned her vehicle so that her steer tires were positioned just a little bit past the crosswalk, then when the light turned red, she could have safely completed her left turn. She could not have gone on the amber light, because as you saw, there were still a few other vehicles in the opposite lanes of traffic who gunned it through the amber light there. Right turn at the traffic sign or intersection? They don't tell you what it is. They don't say stop sign. I'm going to park it on this hill over here, just past the first driveway, assuming you're going to leave it there for a long period of time. Okay, and we'll proceed. Okay, you're not done yet? Okay.
This is wrong. Hold on.
We'll go through it after.
I think I'm supposed to put my wheels to the right.
Not going to help you. So, it's okay if you make a mistake.
Just wait. Just hold on. I know this.
All right. And at this point, they're going to say, please proceed.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
So just go straight.
Mm-hmm.